So when we first started on this place, I did a walkthrough video. I'm going to kind of try to do the same from what I remember. This used to be a wall going across right there. So this was primarily just the kitchen, and that was a bedroom there. A lot of work done to this place. And that is now the laundry room. That wall was not there at all. We added that in the door, obviously. And there was a big cabinet there, and we added that door for closet space. This is kind of like a little grow room area. In the other video, I don't think I opened that door and walked in there. I kind of rushed the video, and it's kind of poor quality. I shouldn't have. All this trim, scuffed it, restained, polyed 3 times. Same with the floor. That's been completely redone. Here's a little bathroom. This opening wasn't here. It was actually over there behind this vanity. That is where the door was. So kind of switched some things up. And into here. I just love this old trim. I'm glad no one painted it white like they did upstairs. It used to be like this everywhere, but at one point someone painted it. But that's what happens with these old houses. But at least they left it alone down here. And the hardwood, we weren't able to kind of save it. It was too messed up, weathered. And this stuff is really thin. It's 3/8, so wasn't able to get sanded down certain areas. So yeah, all this trim has been redone. Love this old woodwork. We didn't really have to change much up here. We just had to do some sheetrock repair big time. And all the trim was so messed up. There's wallpaper on all these walls. We had to scrape it all off. Skim coat all the walls. Sand them and texture them. The ceilings we had to re-sheetrock because they were so messed up. Lath and plaster, because mostly everything's in here is lath and plaster. Try to keep all the original fixtures and stuff good. Kind of a weird closet. In the bathroom, we did leave that alone. We were talking about ripping it out, but after cleaned it all up, it looked pretty decent, so we were able to save that tub and tile. And then we decided to find kind of a light pink color because that tile was pink, so we left it alone. Kept the vanity that was in here. We wanted to leave that in there because that's cool. Backyard. And this closet was pretty messed up. This house had a lot of areas where it leaked. And the roof. Another closet. I should have did a more thorough walk around when we first walked into here. But oh well. I'm gonna pause and go downstairs. So this whole basement was just full of crap everywhere. Moved the water heater, got a new one obviously. Then this baby was just packed full of stuff. Turn on the light here. Just left the shelves in there, and there's bats crawling around and mice, and yeah, it was just full of crap, to say the least. New furnace. Kind of leftover stuff that you don't need there. And this garage is packed. There's so much crap in there. We didn't even know there's an engine block, small block Chevy hidden back in there. I'm gonna pause and then walk around the house quick. Everything had to get repainted, even the siding. It's steel siding. They do a lot of replacing of that too. This whole thing had to get sanded down. Gonna take all that down. Raccoons were up there and it's all rotted. Yeah, literally everything pretty much had to get redone here. All the windows, a lot of glass replacement, a lot of sanding, you name it. It's got a pretty big backyard. We had to reseed. Gotta watch out for this walnut tree. I think drops grenades all the time. Yeah, the house was built in 1903 and gonna live to see another couple of years.